Hey everyone, Danny Dodge here. You know, I've had enough of these allergies out here in the plains, and so I'm going to head up to the mountains. I've got Estes Park that's not probably about an hour and 2 minutes from me, so I'm going to head up there where the allergies are not like they are here in the plains when you're actually doing all the harvest and everything. So Estes Park always provides lots of really good opportunities for photographing and filming, and that's what I'm going to do today. I've got all kinds of contraptions. I've got a drone, I've got a slider, and I'm going to try to get some really cool footage for you. So just hang with me as we get up there and do some really fun stuff. Oh, and it's really important that you get gas. Anytime you're traveling through the mountains where there's not a lot of gas stations, it's one thing you just don't want to forget. And in this case, hey, I'm on top of things. The path to Estes Park follows the Big Thompson River, and you'll find people fishing all along the way. Thomas back here has been fishing and actually catching some, so I'm going to put the drone in the air and see what I can get. Estes Park is one of those destinations that's not just for U.S. folks, it's from all around the world. People come here from China, from Africa, everywhere, and it becomes a place that you never forget. With all the beautiful features, you can walk around the town for days and never experience it all. First things first, when I'm here in Estes, I gotta go to Penelope's. There's a burger spot here. Perfect, good ice, great burgers. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
A relatively unknown treasure in Estes Park is Mrs. Welsh's garden. It's a beautiful little spot just off the main drag, and whoever designed it, they did a really good job. I had been coming to Estes Park for many, many years and never knew about this wonderful garden. And it wasn't until I actually took the time to walk in and stand there for a second until I noticed all this amazing animal life. Hummingbirds, marmots, things would just gather there because of the life-giving water. It was truly an experience I had to share. The world of high-speed cameras allows me to slow down time, to basically see those things that would otherwise pass by in a blink of an eye, like the hummingbird. Shown here at normal speed, when slowed down, it gives us the chance to experience things at their pace of life. I had so much fun filming and so many opportunities to do it, I finally decided I was going to switch my camera over to photo mode. And from there on, it was like magic. Taking the time to snap some photos was absolutely the right choice. When I got them back to the house and was able to put them on the computer, I was blown away at the quality that my camera was able to give me. With opportunity after opportunity, it kind of distracted me from all the rest of the things going on. Without my knowledge, I was being spied on. Turns out that little marmot was trying to get to water, and I was keeping him from it. Luckily, his buddy was watching out for him, and he finally made it. But it didn't take him long, and he was back in the woods doing a little housekeeping, which meant that was the end of my adventure.